Hello, my name is Mike Matchell, and I'm the worship leader for the traditional service here at First Baptist Church. I would just like to say that we feel that our unique ministry in the traditional service is the gift of music, and we bring this to people freely, and we are hoping that through the choir and through the piano music and the organ and the instrumentalists, that we can coalesce all these into an opportunity to get closer to God through our service and through the unique ministry of music. The opportunities through music that we have for the traditional service are centered around a few major areas. The first one is choir. We're always looking for additional choir members, and even if you think that you might not be able to sing, give us an opportunity to work with you and train you, and I think you might be surprised at the gift that you have to give to Christ. Additionally, we have the handbell choir, and they not only play seasonally, but they play occasionally during services too. And the other area that we have an opportunity for service is as an instrumentalist. Instrumentalists can perform as soloists during the traditional service, or they are welcome to perform as backup to the actual choir, and then of course at seasonal opportunities such as Christmas and Easter and those times.